Welcome to AugVation, where artificial intelligence meets real-world execution. If you're trying to understand AI, use AI, or build something with AI, you're in the right place. AugVation isn't just another AI channel. It's a complete ecosystem designed to help you move from confusion to capability fast. We break down powerful AI tools, workflows, and systems, then show you exactly how to apply them to build content, automate your business, generate leads, increase productivity. Behind the scenes, we are powered by a scalable AI engine built to analyze tools, create content, and turn knowledge into real assets like eBooks, workflows, and automation systems. That means everything you see here is designed to be actionable, repeatable, and scalable. On this channel, you'll find step-by-step AI workflows, tool breakdowns and comparisons, content automation strategies, business and monetization systems, and behind the scenes looks at building an AI-powered ecosystem. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just getting started with AI, our goal is simple: help you use AI to build faster, smarter, and more efficiently. And if you want to go deeper, we've built an entire network of tools, guides, and resources to support you. So subscribe, dive in, and start building with AI. This is AugVation. Let's get to work. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.